Well, the main goals of the training module are to educate, raise awareness, give people the latest evidence and research to back up what we're saying, because obviously it's really important people understand the enormity of what we're in, but also then give them tools. So it's a practical session to give them tools to help guide their practice, to make changes, look at prevention, and really make sure that we're working towards a sustainable healthcare system globally. So green skills, so the principles of sustainable clinical practice around the 4 pillars, which is prevention, so supporting the populations to understand their diseases and look after themselves, but also stop them needing acute care in the first place, so that they're home, healthy, and looking after themselves. Second is self-care, so really empowering patients to understand their disease processes and look after themselves appropriately, so really looking at health promotion and public health awareness. Thirdly, it's around leaner pathways. So when I say that, it's evidence-based practice. We're questioning why we're doing things. We're more mindful and thoughtful about the processes and procedures we do at work, so that we're thinking every time, actually I could make that more efficient, or actually what impact is that going to have on the environment, on our patients, and on and the profit as well. So it's looking at that triple bottom line. So it's integral to our practice. I personally think sustainability is the umbrella that sits over all clinical practice. It will change the whole way we deliver healthcare. It's hugely wasteful. I think I would call on all my clinical colleagues. We are very wasteful in our approach to healthcare, and we need to really start thinking mindfully about how we practice and what solutions we can come up with to solve that problem, because together we can do so much. So it's about all of us working together. Healthcare professionals, nurses and doctors are the most trusted professions in the world. We have an absolute obligation to train our colleagues and all of those that we work with, but also the population, help them to see what we need to do to save the planet. The workshops have been fantastic so far. We've been to Utrecht in the Netherlands and over in Modena in Italy at the moment, and also did a session for the Madrid team. And I think the overwhelming feedback is people didn't know where to start. They knew it was a problem. They really wanted to do something. There was a real will and energy, but they didn't know. They needed direction. So what the training module has given them is some hope, and then practical skills to guide them on what they can do to implement at practice level. So it's been really heartwarming to spend time with the teams. I think one of my favourite comments was, it's almost like we gave them a big hug, and another one was that every change matters. Every change will make a difference, no matter how small it is. And the final one that made me smile was, we no longer feel alone on the wards, which I think was quite apt as well. So we are here together, we can make a massive difference.